Hi, I'm Adam, and I'm the president and founder of Travelmation. I'm here today at Sandals Dunn's River and about to tour a Coyaba Sky Villa swim-up Rondoval Butler suite with private pool sanctuary. Come on, follow me inside.
Welcome to paradise.
Shanice, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Nice to
Thank you.
meet you. This way, please. Make yourself at home.
Wow.
Perfect, isn't it?
Shanice, look at the fixtures and the finishes in this
Yes.
room. All Jamaica, all the time.
Yes. And of course, we have a Bluetooth box for you here. You can listen Bob Marley music. Of course, we have your television, all your channels, and we have How to Love a Jamaican book for you to enjoy also. We have your telescope for you for your stargazing.
You don't say. Now we take that upstairs?
As your butlers, we'll take it up for you and make arrangements for you.
Wow.
We have your beautiful king-size bed here for you, all
Yes.
right? And of course, as your pillows, we have two types of pillows. We have your feathered pillow, and of course, we have a medium pillow for you.
I'm a medium pillow fan
Ooh,
myself.
there we go.
Yes.
And we can take extras if you'd like also.
Thank you.
Two more additional is okay?
Absolutely.
Perfect. Let me show you the bathroom. This way, please.
Wow.
Perfect. We have your shower right here for you.
Look at this. Stone, massive shower head,
Beautiful.
bamboo style wood on the wall. My favorite.
Beautiful.
Yes.
We have your bathtub right here also.
Soaking tub.
And you said you like bubble baths, right? With
Better believe it.
petals. There we go. Arrangements can be made for you. If you thought that was amazing, take a look at the outside.
Whoa.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Look at this plunge pool.
Your private pool just right here for you.
Love it.
Perfect. Just imagine having a romantic breakfast right here in the morning.
And look at the loungers in the swim-up pool area.
Beautiful.
Beyond stunning. But Shanice,
Yes.
how about this Jamaican wood on this door? Let me ask you a
Wow.
question.
Go ahead.
Is this oak?
No, it's fine.
Pine is good.
Beautiful. Let's go upstairs. This way, please.
Thank you.
Once again, welcome home. Of course, we have your beautiful sanctuary here for you.
Stunning.
It's beautiful. We have a view of the resort from this direction. Now, of course, if you wish to relax here in the daytime, you can do so.
You
Right
could
here.
sit here all
Yes.
day and not move, literally.
Definitely. And of course, your butlers are here for you. And of course, if you wish to do maybe a romantic dinner here in the evenings, you can do so. View the stars. We have our telescope, can take care of that too.
May I?
Go right ahead.
Thank you. I have to say, Shanice, this room is striking.
It is. It's one of my favorites, and I know it will be yours too.
I don't know about you, but I'm gonna stay right here a while. And if you would like to do the same, you can book this room or any of the 14 room categories here at Sandals Dunn's River with any Travelmation Travel Advisor today.